Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. Today in this video I am going to show you how to sign up in a Skype account. And those of you who don't know, Skype is a video calling service which help you to connect with your family, friends and as well as for your business communication. And please don't forget to like my videos and subscribe my channel because it will help me a lot. To sign up in a Skype account, open any web browser in your desktop or mobile device. And in the web address bar type skype.com. Now it takes you to the official page of the Skype, and after that in the top right hand side you may see sign in option. Click on the sign in option, and in the down below menu you may see new to Skype sign up option. Click on that. Here it asks you to if you want to create account by using a mobile number or using your email instead. So I'm using my email to create an account. Click on next to continue. Create a password for your account, and now click on next to continue. The first name over here, second name, and click on next, the character which you see in the screen over here. And that's, I hope you find it helpful, and please don't forget to like my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.